This sprinkler pipe was on a diagonal to the trench, and this happens a lot. And Francisco caught it with the excavator and then felt that there was some resistance. He's a real good operator. So we just cut the piece out because, you know, it's been damaged, it's been compromised. And you just seen Valentine, he put 1-inch couplers, he put them in. Now when they unroll the fabric, they're going to spray paint lines where the sprinklers were. So this line was clean. Went right along that line, didn't hurt it at all. It's in the wall of the trench. This here is going to be a blind inlet. So the pipe just comes wrapping around here, and we go ahead and we put some stone up in here because this was wet right here. So we figured to put a blind inlet to take care of that. All right, so when they unroll the fabric and they get to this point, they'll cut it with a razor, and then they'll make sure that that's exposed. Then they'll mark it with spray paint, because I'm telling you, when you miss one of these, that's your callback right there. That's your callback. And we do everything with a no callback policy. We want to get it done right. And we just want to always be looking forward. I don't like going 2 steps back. It's just not what we do. So we got 1 inch, we got 3/4 inch. Here's 3/4. You never know what you're going to run into. We got boxes and boxes of couplers, and we got sprinklers, because when you run the sod cutter, you might catch a sprinkler head. It happens. Exhibit A. So we have those on the tool trailer as well. We're stocked with all the different heads. We use stainless steel crimp clamps. They don't rust. They last forever. Nice work. This one got flattened a little bit, but it's in pretty good shape. We assess each and every line, and if we feel it's been compromised, then we just cut it out and we're going to put in a new piece. All right, guys, until the next video.